welcome back to my first video of 2018. I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's Eve. Let me know down in the comments below what some of your New Year's resolutions are. Okay, but we're gonna get straight into the video, and today we're going to be talking about brows. Mine are not there, as you can see right now. I didn't fill them in while I was doing my makeup, but today I'm going to teach you how to tint your brows at home by yourself. So I tint my eyebrows with our mustache and beard just for men. So I have two boxes here. I used to use the light brown one, but I don't like it anymore. So I switched to the real black one. So what comes inside is you just pull it out, and there is a tray, that you mix everything with. And then it comes with the color base, the men color base, and the natural developer. And then it also comes with some gloves. It comes with a pack of gloves and a brush to mix it all with. I have an angled brush that I use specifically just for my eyebrows. So what you do is you're going to take the tube on the clear paper or plastic that comes, and you are going to add some developer. So you're just going to add a dot of developer like that, and then you are going to add a dot of the color base. So we are just going to add some color base, just dot like that. And then now we are going to take the back of our brush, and we're just going to mix this together. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay guys, and now we are going to just paint this onto our eyebrow. So I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. Okay. And now you just take the end of your brush, grab a little bit on your brush, and then you want to look in a mirror for this. You're just going... Okay, so we're going to just start filling in our eyebrows. So I'm going to start with a really thin line toward the front, and then make it thicker in the back. Okay, if you have any mess ups, then you can just grab a Q-tip and just clean up where you messed up at. And you want to do this right away because it will dry. So we're just going to keep painting this on. And toward the front, I just like to put it flat against and pull up. And that just gives it like more of a natural looking eyebrow. Okay, and now we are going to do the other eyebrow the same way. We're going to start with very little on our brush and just draw a line underneath our hairs. And you want to leave this on for at least 5 minutes, and it will, what it does is it dyes your eyebrow hairs and it dyes your skin. It will last for at least 2 weeks, depending on how often you wash your face. I wash my face 2 times a day, so mine doesn't last that long. But I do this every couple weeks. So every like 3-4 weeks, I re-dye it. And it's very inexpensive. I think a box of this costs like $5-7 around there. you can already see this one is getting darker. Okay, so we're just going to let that sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and wash it off. Okay guys, so now after the 5 minutes, you can see that they have gotten darker, a lot darker. So we are going to take a makeup wipe, and we are just going to wipe away the dye. There you go guys, now you have 2 flaky brows. So I'm just gonna spoolie through mine. But this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, it would mean the world to me if you went below and hit that like and subscribe button. Well, thank you guys. Have an amazing day.